In this video, you will learn how to write, say, and read the dates in American English. This is a date, January 2nd, 2026. We write month, day, year. To make a date, we need 12 months, ordinal numbers for the days, like 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and cardinal numbers for the years, like 2026. Let's start with months. In our example date, the month is the first part, January. Months in a date can look different. We can write January 2nd, or Jan 2, or just 01. They all mean the month January. To abbreviate the name of the month, we usually use the first 3 letters. January becomes Jan. If you see a number, think about the order of the months in the year. January is the first month, so its number is 01. Here you can see all 12 months. Each month has a full name, a short form, and a number. January, Jan, 01. February, Feb, 02. March, Mar, 03, and so on. The year starts with January, month 01, and ends with December, month 12. Now let's look at the day in a date. In our example, the day is the second part of the date. What is the date today? The answer is, it's January 2nd. Here we focus on the day of the month, the number 2nd. To say the day of the month, we use ordinal numbers. We say 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, not just 1, 2, 3. But what is the difference between cardinal and ordinal numbers? Cardinal numbers are our normal numbers: 1 cat, 2 cats, 3 cats, 4 cats. Ordinal numbers show the position: 1st cat, 2nd cat, 3rd cat, 4th cat. So, cardinal means how many, and ordinal means which one in order. Here is a simple formula to make an ordinal number for days. We take the normal number and add th. 4 becomes 4th, 10 becomes 10th, 27 becomes 27th. But some forms are special, so you must memorize them. 1, 1st, 2, 2nd, 3, 3rd, 5, 5th. Here are some more examples: 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Pause the video if you want to read and repeat them slowly. Days in a date can also look different. The day can be written as second, as the number 2, or as 02. But we always say it as an ordinal number, second. Here is an easy rule. Month plus day equals date. January plus 2 gives January 2nd, our full date. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and say these dates. When you are ready, play the video and check. Let's check your answers. January 4th, March 17th, June 2nd, December 25th, August 31st, November 13th. If something was difficult, you can go back and listen again. Now we move to the year in a date. In our example date, the year is 2026. What year is it? It's 2026. Listen and repeat. The year is 1897. The year is 1897. The year is 1946. The year is 1946. The year is 2025. The year is 2025. Repeat them 2 or 3 times to feel the rhythm. To say most years, we cut the year into 2 parts. For example, 20 and 26. First, we say the first 2 numbers, then the last 2 numbers. Now look at the year inside the date. We can write the year with 4 numbers, 2026. Or we can write only the last 2 numbers, 26. Both mean the same year, 2026. And in both dates, the last part is the year. Practice time. Pause the video and say these years. Then play again and check with me. Listen to the answers. 2026, 1991, 1874, and 2001. Some years are special. From 2000 to 2009, we often say 2000 plus the last number. 2000, 2001, 2002, 2009. Now we put everything together: month, day, and year. January 2nd, 2026 is a full date. Here are some more examples of dates. Let's read them together. October 4th, 2011. April 18th, 2030. August 5th, 1548. July 30th, 1996. Now you try again. Pause the video and say the dates. The answers: February 3rd, 2025. March 17th, 2026. June 2nd, 1994. December 25th, 1870. Now, let's hear dates in real sentences. When is your birthday? My birthday is on November 9th. We use on before the date, on November 9th. Here is the pattern: on plus month plus ordinal number. For example, on November 9th, on April 1st, on May 5th. Always use on before a date. Practice time. Read these sentences aloud. The music festival is on June 2nd. Valentine's Day is on February 14th. Christmas is on December 25th. Now we know how to say dates in American English. But in other countries, dates can look different. Let's travel. In the USA, we write dates as month, day, year. So 01, 02, 2026 is January 2nd, 2026. In many other countries, they write day, month, and year. The same 0102 can mean the 1st of February. So if you want to be clear, it is a good idea to write the month as a word. For example, January 2nd, 2026.